Hi, are you ready to learn some easy English? This is an SUV or sport utility vehicle called a Porsche Macan. The company that makes this SUV is called Porsche. The model name of this SUV is Macan. The Macan is a compact SUV made by Porsche. The Porsche Macan is a compact luxury SUV. It's called a luxury SUV because it costs a lot of money. The Macan is a luxury SUV because it is very expensive. The Macan is called a compact SUV. Compact means that Macan is smaller than other SUVs like the Cayenne, which is bigger, or the Cadillac Escalade, which is even bigger. The Macan is small. It is a small, compact SUV. I think the Macan is a beautiful SUV. Do you think the Macan is a beautiful SUV? Yes or no? I love the color of the Macan SUV in this picture. The color of this Macan is blue. The color of this SUV is blue. Is the color of this SUV red? No. This SUV is blue. The color of this SUV is blue. This SUV has 5 doors. This is a door, and this is a door. There are 2 doors on this side of the SUV. On the other side of the SUV, there are 2 more doors. So there are 4 doors on the side of the SUV. 1, 2, 3, 4 doors. In the back of the SUV, not in the front of the SUV, but in the back of the SUV, there is another door. There is 1 door in the back of the SUV. Does the Porsche Macan have 6 doors? Are there 6 doors on the Porsche Macan? No. The Porsche Macan has 5 doors. The doors on the side of the SUV, these doors, they swing to the side. The door in the back of the SUV swings up. It swings up. This is called a door handle. Door handle. You pull the door handle to open the door. These are called headlights. 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 The headlights allow you to see when it's dark. The headlights shine so you can see the road when it's dark. There are 2 headlights on this SUV. 1 headlight, 2 headlights. At night, you turn the headlights on. This is a wheel. Wheel. This SUV has 4 wheels. 1 wheel, 2 wheels, 3 wheels, and on the other side of the SUV, there is a 4th wheel, but I can't see the 4th wheel. The wheels are round. Round. Wheels are round. Is the shape of the tire square? Is the shape of the tire square? No. The shape of the tire is round, like a circle. When the SUV is driving or moving, when it moves forward or moves backward, the wheels turn. The wheels turn. This part of the wheel is called the tire. Tire. Tires are made of rubber. Rubber. Are the tires made of steel? Are the tires made of steel? No, the tires are made of rubber. Rubber. The tires sit on the road. The tires sit on the road. Tires are very important. If you don't have good tires, then your car can slide off the road. This is the road. Road. The SUV drives on the road. It looks like this road is made of pavement. Pavement. This road is not a dirt road. This road is made of pavement. This part of the wheel is called a rim. Rim. The tire sits on the rim. The tire sits on the rim. The rims are made of a material called aluminum alloy. Aluminum alloy. Aluminum alloy is very light and strong. The color of the tires and the rims is black. My shirt is black, and the tires are black, and the rims are black. This is the windshield. Windshield. The windshield deflects air up and over the car. The windshield is made of glass. Glass. This is a window. Window. You can roll the window down, or you can roll the window up. Windows let you see outside the car. You can see out the car, or you can see into the car. Here you can see a mirror. Mirror. This mirror is called a side mirror because it is on the side of the SUV. And over there on the other side of the SUV is another mirror. So there are two side mirrors on this SUV. One mirror, two mirrors. The side mirrors let you see if there are any cars on the side or that side. This part of the SUV is called the hood. Hood. In Canada and the United States, we call this the hood. In the United Kingdom, they say bonnet. But in Canada, where I live, we call this the hood. When you lift the hood up, you can see into the engine compartment. Engine compartment. The engine compartment is where the car's engine sits. The engine is what makes the SUV go. When you want to know what type of engine the SUV has, you ask, what does it have under the hood?
All right, what's under the hood of this Macan GTS?
A twin turbocharged 2.9 liter V6.
This is the bumper. Bumper. The bumper helps protect the SUV in an accident. When you hit another object with your vehicle, the bumper crumples to absorb the energy of the impact. let me ask you a question. Would you love to drive this SUV? Would you love to drive the Porsche Macan? I would love to drive the Porsche Macan. Be sure to check out this video next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.